From shaky to cinematic, unlocking GoPro HERO12's HyperSmooth 6.0 magic.
Dead batteries, scratchy audio, and shaky footage, every creator's nightmare, right? You're left with clips that feel more like a compromise than a creation. And the gear juggling act just adds to the grind. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. Let's change that narrative right now, together.
Deadlines loom, creativity flatlines, and your backpack overflows with gear you resent carrying. The stress of managing multiple accessories steals the joy from the shoot, leaving you with half-hearted results and a case of burnout. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos. One grab-and-go kit that handles it all from sunrise to sunset. Say hello to the GoPro HERO12 Black Creator Edition, a complete all-in-one vlogging powerhouse built to unleash your creativity. This comprehensive bundle combines the flagship HERO12 Black camera with its Emmy-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization and 5.3K 60 video, plus a dream team of accessories. The Volta battery grip triples your runtime and doubles as a tripod and wireless remote. The Media Mod adds a pro-grade directional mic and ports for expansion, and the Light Mod provides soft, flattering illumination. With 10-bit color, GP log with LUT support, and a versatile 8:7 aspect ratio sensor, you have the tools for cinematic storytelling. Here's one way the GoPro HERO12 Black Creator Edition saved the day for a busy professional. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end. A solo travel vlogger shot an entire 12-hour city tour, from sunrise time-lapses to night market food scenes, using just this kit. No battery swaps, no external mics, no shaky footage. Just seamless, stunning content. The difference is immediate. They're not just shooting, you're creating with confidence. The Volta grip feels solid and secure. The Media Mod's audio is crisp and clear, and the Light Mod turns dim spaces into vibrant scenes. A professional filmmaker praised it as a genuinely professional tool, while a top travel vlogger said, "This kit has replaced 80% of my old gear." Industry analysts note how GoPro is challenging traditional camera setups by providing a high-value, out-of-the-box solution for the creator economy. Real users feel the magic too. A new YouTuber shared, "My videos look and sound incredibly professional right away." And an outdoor enthusiast raved about the all-day battery life and rugged durability. The click of the Media Mod locking into place, the satisfying heft of the Volta grip, the impossibly smooth playback of a HyperSmooth 6.0 shot, it's a sensory experience that says, "You got this." See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Which feature would save your day? The battery grip, the Pro mic, or the stabilization? Comment below. It just works beautifully.
Limited stock. Join thousands who've already leveled up. Don't wait, secure yours today and see the difference. If you're tired of juggling gear and compromising on quality, this may change your game. One kit, endless possibilities. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret tip inside. Click now and unlock a secret feature that makes everything easier. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today. I'll even send you my one-page guide to the best HERO12 settings for cinematic vlogging, a cheat sheet the pros use.